How to make a poll on Discord. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make a poll on your Discord server. So this is very easy to do. Just follow the video until the end to find out how you can actually do that. So let's go ahead and get right into it here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to search up Top GG. Now, once you go ahead and search up Top GG, it's going to come up with a result here on the list saying Discord bots, #1 Discord bot list. Just go ahead and press on it, and then from here, you're going to be on the top.gg website. Now, this website provides a lot of Discord bots and servers. So let's say you want to go ahead and add a bot to your server. You can go ahead and pick from the list here that actually does provide you. But here we're going to try to go ahead and make a poll for our Discord server. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to search up simple and then poll. Now, once we go ahead and search up simple poll, it should be this one with the statistic bar lines right here. So just go ahead and click this one, simple poll, and then you're going to want to search for it. Now, what you're going to want to go ahead and do now is click the invite button. Now, go ahead and click that, and then it's going to want you guys to add the Discord bot to your server. So here below, you can add to a server. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to add to my server here. So you guys can see I actually selected the server. Now we are going to go ahead and continue. So now you have to authorize the bot. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So now you got to go ahead and fill out a CAPTCHA, but that should be fairly easy. And then after that, the bot should be authorized to enter your server. So from here, you're going to want to go to your server, and basically you're going to want to go ahead, make sure it's all refreshed and everything. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to type slash and then poll, and then right here you can actually create a poll with the questions and stuff, and it's pretty easy to actually go ahead and do, guys. So that's how you go ahead and add a poll on your Discord server. So it's pretty easy to actually go ahead and do, guys. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'll see you guys for another one.